Welcome back to Financi. If you're wondering how to grow your money without spending hours picking individual stocks, mutual funds are the answer. In this video, I'll explain the top benefits of investing in mutual funds and why they're a great choice for beginners and seasoned investors alike. Let's get started. Before we jump into the benefits, let's quickly explain what a mutual fund is. A mutual fund is an investment vehicle where money from multiple investors is pooled together and managed by professionals. This money is invested in various assets like stocks, bonds, or a mix of both. Simply put, mutual funds allow you to invest without the hassle of doing all the research yourself. Number 1. Diversification. First on the list is diversification. Instead of investing in just one company or stock, mutual funds spread your money across multiple assets. This means if one investment doesn't perform well, others might balance it out. Diversification helps reduce risk and makes mutual funds a safer option for new investors. Number 2. Professional management. The second benefit is professional management. Mutual funds are handled by expert fund managers who have years of experience and access to advanced research tools. This means you get expert-level investing without having to spend time analyzing the market yourself. It's perfect for beginners who want to invest but don't know where to start. Number 3. Affordable for everyone. Next, mutual funds are affordable. You don't need thousands of dollars to start investing. With options like systematic investment plans, SIPs, you can begin with as little as $10 or $50 per month. This makes mutual funds accessible to anyone, regardless of their budget. Number 4. Liquidity. Another key benefit is liquidity. Mutual funds are easy to buy and sell, which means you can withdraw your money whenever you need it. Unlike long-term fixed deposits or real estate, mutual funds offer flexibility and quicker access to your funds. Number 5. Tax benefits. And finally, tax benefits. Certain mutual funds, like equity-linked savings schemes, ELSS, allow you to save taxes while building wealth. These tax-saving options not only help you reduce your taxable income but also give you an opportunity to earn better returns compared to traditional savings options. So, to quickly recap, here are the top 5 benefits of investing in mutual funds. Diversification to reduce risks. Professional management by experts. Affordability, even for small investors. Liquidity for easy access to your money. Tax-saving opportunities to boost your savings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Financi, and click the bell icon so you don't miss more tips on personal finance and investing. Are you considering mutual funds? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to Financi for more finance tips and strategies.